up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go.
Danbury, Connecticut.
We're here in Danbury, Connecticut. We're buying this Trans Am off of Rich. Tell us a little bit about how long have you had it?
I've had it about 10 years. I always wanted one as a kid. And one night I was up late at night watching Smokey and the Bandit. And I might have had a couple of beers in me. Yeah. And I went online, went on eBay. And a guy in Detroit was selling one on eBay, and he had a good rating. All he did was remodel Trans Ams, and he had a good rating, and I bought it sight unseen, and it came on a flatbed.
That's a little scary.
Yeah, but
I mean, I sell cars sight unseen, but we do complete walk-arounds and everything.
It was risky.
And we do everything. We show everything. Now, you were just buying off the picture.
Risky. And I saw that he did sell over 25 other Trans Ams, and he had good ratings. Okay. And he described the car as is, and just a fun car. And I've had a lot of fun with it. I taught my son how to drive on this car, which was great.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. So a lot of good memories.
What have you done to the car since you've had it?
Absolutely nothing.
Really?
Nothing.
So you had it, what, 10 years?
10 years, and I just used it for fun.
Just take it around? I mean,
I gave it a tune-up. Yeah. Oil change, oil change.
Normal maintenance.
Normal maintenance.
Did you do anything to the brakes or anything?
Nothing.
No.
Not a thing.
Cool.
Yeah. No, everybody asks me that.
What?
About the T-tops, if they leak or not.
No, it's in the garage too, so how you're not really
yeah.
You said it wasn't out in the rain, so.
No, but if I went over my girlfriend's or stuff, it would be outside. It wasn't kept out in the rain, but it's been in the rain. And the trunk too. People ask me about the trunk leak, and that doesn't leak as far as I know.
Yeah, so.
Got it.
Oh,
Deal.
What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. We're here in Danbury, Connecticut, looking at this 1979 Pontiac Trans Am. It's the iconic color from Burt Reynolds' Smokey and the Bandit. Let's come take a look at it. First thing I'm going to check out is the VIN number. What I'm looking for the infamous 2W87, which indicates it's a true Trans Am. This does match, so it is a true Trans Am. Overall, it's driver quality. It's not in perfect condition. We have some cracking on the paint. But what I like about this car is the owner's had it for over 10 years. He's kept it garage. It's a solid driver. It drives very well. And it's a fun car. It's not a showroom car, but it's a nice car where you can get in and go. It's not in perfect condition, but what I like is the floorboards are all in great shape. The rails look good. It's in pretty good shape undercarriage-wise, so you could tell it was garage kept. Interior's in good shape. And another thing is the T-tops are hard to find. You don't usually find them with the T-tops. It's a T-top car. Another thing I like is the doors close very, very well. They close. Usually the doors start hinging down, and the doors, you really got to pick them up to shut them. And that's what I like about this one. Doors shut good. It's got good body lines. Again, it's not perfect with the paint. Another cool thing we got here is the original window sticker. So 6.6, Starlight Black, original color, black on black. It's got the 6.6, the 403, 4-barrel. It's an air conditioning car. And if I'm not mistaken, boom, hatch roof removable. So it's got the T-tops from factory. This is pretty cool to have. $8,635, brand new. And it's originally from California. It was at the Illinois plant. It was made in California in Van Nuys. So overall, the car's in pretty good shape. I would definitely say solid driver condition. You got beautiful gold wheels to match.
Yeah.
Fighter during 9/11.
Yeah, we were down there. Yeah.
And you were down at, they sent the whole unit?
Oh yeah, they sent a whole bunch of us. Yeah, a couple of busloads of guys.
So did you guys go to the towers before they fell?
No, we were there after the fact. Yeah, with all the rubble.
And you guys were doing
Yeah.
cleanup, recovery, trying to find people and
Right.
rescue.
Right. Right. Yeah, something to see, something you don't forget, you know.
That stays with you forever, right?
Oh yeah, yeah. Think about it. You know, you're always thinking about it a lot.
But you know what?
Yeah.
We appreciate you.
Oh, thank you.
Appreciate your bravery.
Thank you.
And serving.
That's nice
You
of
know,
you. Thank
you have a servant heart and putting your life on the line and trying to help take care. That's the problem. Like our channel's based on faith, family, and business.
I love it.
We love God, we love our family, we love our business, we love our country.
I love it.
And
I'm gonna follow you guys. I'm
glad
glad it's
we've gotten
going
away
to-
from that. You know what I'm saying? We've
Of
gotten
course,
away
yeah.
from, you know,
Obviously.
the gratefulness of being here.
Yeah.
And like you put your life on the line and to help other people, and that's what it's about.
Oh, I really
So,
appreciate it.
We
that it's
appreciate
going
you. Appreciate your business. I really
Great.
do.
Hey, thank you. You got a nice family.
Thank you.